So, hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video, we will see IBPS RRB Clerical Prelims Level Examination analysis. That means they have conducted this examination on 8th of August as well as on 14th of August also examination will be there. So on 8th August, first shift analysis we will see in this particular video. So first we will see reasoning analysis. So when you see reasoning analysis here, so what they have given you? So IBPS RRB Clerk Prelims reasoning analysis which they have conducted examination on 8/8/2021. We will see shift 1 analysis here, right? So when you see here in shift 1, so what they have asked here? So they have asked coded inequality. Coded inequality they have asked 5 questions and it was easy. It was easy level. Then they asked syllogism. Syllogism they asked 5 questions. In that 2 questions were there from only a few. So remaining questions were easy. So this we consider as easy to moderate level, right? Then you have alphanumeric series. Alphanumeric series they asked 5 questions. It was easy. Right? Then they ask direction. Direction, distance they ask 3 questions. This was also a doable one. Then they ask blood relation. Blood relation they ask 2 questions. This is also doable one. Then they ask number pairing. That means how many numbers will be formed. So number pairing type of question they ask, and they ask 1 question here. Right? Then word formation they asked 1 question. It was like meaningful word. You need to find make a meaningful word, right? So for that they asked 1 question. So this was based upon your miscellaneous section. Then remaining questions were there from sitting arrangement and puzzles. So in sitting arrangement they asked 8 persons are there. All of them are facing inside and it was a circular based sitting arrangement. So 8 persons were there and all of them were facing center. So in that they asked 5 questions. Again doable one. Maximum by 1 or 2 possibility itself we can get the answer. Then they asked certain number of persons were there. All of them were facing north. Usually when it comes to your any PO examination, you will be having this type of questions in preliminary examination and of course in mains also. But in preliminary examination, certain number of persons were there. There in PO you will be having uncertain number of people, right? So here certain number of persons were there and all of them were facing north, right? And from that they asked 4 questions. So usually when you solve this particular type of things in this particular sitting arrangement, number of persons were 24. This is what exactly I got to know, right? So certain number of persons were there and all of them were facing north. From that they asked 5 questions. Clear? Then puzzle. So they asked 2 set of puzzle. One was based upon box based puzzle where they asked 5 questions, right? Then another was floor based puzzle where they asked 5 questions, right? So 2 puzzles were there in first shift of IBPS RRB Clerical Preliminary Examination. In that 1 puzzle was based upon box based and second was based upon floor. So this was also a doable one. So I hope you got the idea. So those who are having examination on 14th of August and also those who are examination in other days also, for them it will be very much useful. So again I am repeating here. So reasoning they ask coded inequality 5 questions, syllogism 5 questions, alphanumeric series 5 questions, direction distance 3 questions, blood relation 2 questions, number pairing it was 1 question. Then word formation also they asked 1 question. Then sitting arrangement they asked 5 questions. In that 8 persons were there. All of them were facing center. It was a circular based sitting arrangement. Then they asked certain number of persons. All of them were facing north. From that they asked 4 questions. Then puzzle you got 1 box based puzzle and 1 you got from floor based puzzle. Now clear? This is all about your reasoning analysis. Now we will see quants analysis. So when it comes to quants on shift 1 of 8/8/2021, simplification were there now. Simplification were there. They asked 10 to 12 simplification questions. In that 2 to 3 questions were slightly moderate level. I am not saying it's a tough level. It's a moderate level. Remaining questions were doable ones. So that they asked 10 to 12 questions. It was easy to moderate level. Then you got missing number series. They asked missing number series in the first shift where you got 5 questions here. It was doable one, right? Then DI was there, data interpretation was there. 2 DI they have asked in this first shift. One was based upon table and second was based upon bar graph. So tabular DI where you had a number of restaurants then with the month. This type of DI they have asked here, and then bar graph they asked number of cars. It was based upon number of cars. In that also they have asked 5 questions. Clear? Then arithmetic questions they have asked nearly arithmetic they asked 11 to 13. This is the backbone of any examination. So in arithmetic they asked 11 to 13 questions. 2 to 3 questions were slightly moderate level, remaining questions were doable one. Clear now? So again I am repeating. Simplification 10 to 12 questions were there. Missing number series 5 questions which we will see here. Exact question I will solve here now. Right? Then DI, one was based upon table, second was based upon bar graph. In table you have number of restaurants with different months. In bar graph, number of cars were there, and from that they asked 5 questions. And then arithmetic they asked 11 to 13 questions. Now clear? So this is all about your quants analysis. So now we will see 5 or 4 exact missing number series which they have asked in this particular shift. So first one, 7, 3.5, 3.5, 7, 28 question mark, right? So very simple, I have solved also. 7, 3.5, so this is into 0.5, 3.5 into 3.5, so this is into 1, then 3.5 to 7, this is into 2, 7 to 28 into 4. That means into 0.5 double is into 1, into 1 double is into 2, into 2 double is into 4, into 4 double is into 8. So your answer is nothing but 224. Clear? Then second was like this, 6, 5, 9, 26, question mark, 514. While seeing itself, we can say this is nothing but multiplication logic here, because 26 question mark straight away you are having 514. So this is nothing but into 1 minus 1. This is nothing but into 2 minus 1. This is nothing but into 3 minus 1. This will be into 4 minus 1. What is 26 into 4? 104 minus 1. 103. Exact question I am solving here. Then third one, 6, 10, 15, 22, 32 question mark. While seeing itself we can say that this follows difference based logic. So difference is how much here? 4 here how much? 5 here how much? 7 here how much? 10. I am not getting idea. Take second difference. Difference is how much? 1, 2, 3, next will be 4, for that here it should be 14, 32 plus 14, what is the answer? 46. Right? Difference based logic. Fourth one, 3, 17, 45, 87, question mark 213. 45, 87, question mark straight away 213, that means it follows some multiplication logic. So we will see here, how much difference is there? 14. How much difference is there? 28. How much difference is there? 42. That means this follows 14 table. 14 ones are, 14 twos are, 14 threes are, 14 fours are. What is 14 fours are? 56. 87 plus 56. What is the answer? 143. So answer is nothing but 143. Clear? Exact 4 questions I wrote here, right? So I hope you understood what type of questions or what type of pattern they are following in this particular RRB exam, clerical examination. So please do share this video among your friends, those who are having examinations in upcoming shift as well as in upcoming days. So prepare well. All the best.